Hello everyone, welcome to Baby Wonderland. So here we are going to learn how to draw a adorable amazing creature, a lively one in front of you. So let us start expressing your creativity. So perfect for beginners and seasoned artists alike. So grab all your materials in front of you and have some happiness. Let's dive in. The materials you may need: paper sketchbook, pencil, eraser, black pen marker, colored pencils, paints optional, and drawing steps may include your own creativity. And let's start.
Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
All the very best.